Hey, what's up? It's Filip, and let me show you how to get this free VFX, these free fires and explosions for your Unreal Engine 5 projects. First way is to add some starter content VFX. If you didn't tick it if you go over here and click new project, if you didn't click this starter content, you can add them over here. Click add, feature content pack. Go over here under the content, starter content, add to project. After the import is done, you can see on the left side starter content, and you can go over here and click particles, and you have some nice visual effects like this, for example, fire, sparks. Another thing is, if you go to the Epic Marketplace, you can see this M5 VFX Volume 2 Fire and Flames, and it supports Niagara. So go to add to project, and let's choose our project, which is this VFX tutorial, and it will need to download about 200 megabytes, which is super small. And if you go back to your project, we can go here and check out this folder and go to particles, and we can see explosion, fire, for example. And if I go to my Tokyo scene, if you need it, you can go over here and add this Tokyo stylized environment. And if I go over here, I can add some particles, for example, fire. And if you double click it, you can go inside the blueprint, and you can click over here restart simulation, so you can see it every time. And if I go over here and click restart level, it will explode it over here, and you can see the result if you click restart level. I will put this on my second screen and click restart level so you can see it better. I will go F11 and press G to remove all these things, and I can go restart level to see the explosion. And this is it. If you find this helpful, let me know in the comments below. Also drop some likes and subscribes if you want to learn more about Unreal Engine 5. I will pump these videos weekly, I think, okay, daily. Subscribe and check it out, and see you in some other video. Bye bye.